Welcome on our show, The Success Stories, brought to you by the Trident Communications. Today, we have a very special guest known as Purvi from CID. So let's welcome Ansha Sayyed on Success Stories. So, hi Ansha, how are you? And
Hi,
welcome to our show, The Success Stories. And thank you for your time for coming on our show. Thank you so much for joining us today.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Who is Ansha Sayyed?
Ansha Sayyed is just an ordinary girl with who's done a little bit of TV and who's transformed herself a lot from college days and who's become a little popular by doing a show on television. And yeah, that is what I am, like a very basic, normal girl who is having ambitions, which is she's trying to fulfill.
That's being very, very humble. So
That is what
sweet.
it is.
So tell me, Ansha, you've always been an actress and you always wanted to be one, or there was something which else you were doing and then you thought that I should get into acting. How did this all happen? How did this journey start?
So no, I was not wanting to be an actor. I wanted to do mass communication. I wanted to do journalism. I was very good at accounts. I wanted to pursue accounting. But then I never wanted to pursue a career which is in front of the camera. I wanted to do something which is behind the camera. And then suddenly something happened and people started, okay, I was younger also. People dragged me into this. Naini, you have a nice face and you look nice and do makeup and do portfolio. And you know, when you're young and you get attracted to all these things while doing a polio, I'm looking nice, my face is so nice. And I was younger. So kuch samajh mein aaya nahi. So I thought, okay, I'm nice, I'm a good looking girl, I should do this, I should do that. Of course, there was a time in my life when I thought, kyun kiya ye sab maine? What did I do? When I landed in acting entertainment industry. But then I thought, no, I'm enjoying it. You know, everybody enjoys that camera fame. But then what goes behind it, you know it. Na? So yes, I'm not regretting, but I've always maintained to be that, not a girl who is always decked up and always looking the perfect.
You are born, brought up, your schooling, college, everything in Mumbai?
Yes, yes.
Achha, so you're a true Mumbaiker.
Yeah.
Been in Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah. Not worried about anything, not taking stress about anything. एकदम बिंदास जो है वो है.
So what about your family? How did they, support you that, okay, you want to do acting and you're getting offers and people are telling you to try it out. But how did this happen? How was your first break? I mean, you have done one of the most popular and the longest shows running on TV, the CID on Sony, and you've been known as Purvi of CID, been very famous with that character. So how did that start and what was your first break? And being in Mumbai, I mean, still it would have not been easy, you know.
No, being in Mumbai, if I wouldn't have been in Mumbai, I wouldn't have pursued acting. See, I told you, I was not there to, make it in the acting industry. I was somebody who was, okay, it's happening. It's not happening. But then being in Mumbai, my family was very supportive. My family doesn't, my family always supports me with whatever I do and wherever I go. They have always supported me. I want to be an actor. I don't want to be an actor. I want to be married. I don't want to be married. That is all. The support is there. So it wasn't a very big deal for me to convince them. But then I thought, okay, I'll do it. And it happened. And the break, as you talk about, so there was no break. I really worked very hard to get into acting because I was not a trained actor. I didn't learn acting from any coaching classes. So acting classes. It all happened and I started giving auditions, started doing small roles which were insignificant. Then I started doing roles which were significant. And in CID also, I did a role of a receptionist, of a criminal.
Achha, that's how you started. Oh, okay.
Promotion ho gaya, I became the main killer. Thoda promotion, so I became the bhabhi. You know, I was so young, and becoming a bhabhi was.
How old were you when you really started all this? Must be very young.
So yeah, I was 20, 19, 20, 19 years of age. And then I started doing television shows. Tabhi CID when I was doing small characters. Aha Tinga ek show aata tha. And I started doing television shows, and which was also not a very easy game. So whatever I got in my life was not easy. I had to work very hard. Well, very, very hard, and then reach there, and suddenly somebody else got the show. Then I work very, very, very hard. Then suddenly somebody else got. Then I work very hard. Then I get the show. Then I'm replaced.
Achha.
Then I was all that. And imagine, then I started getting work. Then I started rolling in, and then I started knowing, okay, what is it that I lack? Probably I'm not doing the right makeup. Probably I'm not doing the right expression. Kuch to seekha, basically seekha maine. And then I started doing television, and CID happened.
So CID, though, I mean, it's been so successful. It's been just going on and on and on forever. So you would be like,
CID is a show, you don't have to shut it. CID doesn't get shut. CID को shut होने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, because CID जैसा कोई crime show. Tell me one crime show on Indian television which is a popular show or which is even running. Forget about popularity. One crime show. No crime show on Indian television is running. Nobody is introduced forensic to Indian audience. They don't know the word forensic. Like
Yes.
What is isolation and quarantine?
Yeah.
Forensic is a very foreign word for Indians. Was introduced in CID. Back then in 98, imagine, CID is a show which is ahead of its time. There are a lot of shows, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी, जो आए भी और कहाँ गए पता भी नहीं चला. It's gone.
Correct. So, on similar theme, on similar.
Yeah, they wanted to create CID 2 or CID kind of a mahal. Basically, CID is a show because of the actors, because of the faces. ACP sir, Daya sir, Abhijit sir. They are the IP of the show. You can only create CID with these three.
They are like the faces, the people really think they are actually, matlab, sach mein ye CID, and you know they are professionally also into CID. Yeah.
You can only create CID with these three. If you want to create a CID, which has to be popular, you have to take these three. You know, I am very, very, very fortunate that I have been named after them. Purvi is also CID. Now they relate. Okay, ACP sir, Daya sir, Abhijit sir, CID. When they Tino aayenge, to they'll look for Freddy also. They will look for Purvi also. That I'm very fortunate to earn that place. हाँ, तीनों के बाद चौथा पांचवा कौन है वो भी देखेंगे. So basically, you know, runner up होते हैं ना वैसे. So yeah, I'm very fortunate. Probably all the hard work which I had put in is given me the result.
Tell us something about some of your other projects also. Have you tried films? Are you getting into films? What are or you're just happy with TV?
I'm very happy with TV. Honestly, I'll tell you, TV is very stable. TV is very, it is very, you can rely on, as I say, it's stable. And I like TV because that medium is a very secure medium. You know, TV kabhi ban nahi hoga. Films, I will not say no. But even if I'm doing a film, I will still have a TV show in my bag, you know. Because film is
that keeps you going,
you might not have a film. But TV, you'll always have it in your purse. Okay, I have TV. TV is something so safe and so nice.
So did you train yourself as an actor? I mean, did you ever go to an acting school, a dancing school, and, you know, did all that grooming and then you got into it, or it was very natural for you to just step into this world?
Get into any coaching, acting coaching, nothing. No dancing. Dance to you have, whatever I learned from you, that is the dance I know. Otherwise, acting ka nahi. That is why I had to work very hard to know what am I doing, how am I looking. There was no grooming. So when you have grooming, the right makeup, you know this is the makeup. How to apply it and how much to apply, you have to know. This is my shade. You have a different. All that has to be learned, which was
So
very.
everything was being learned while you were working. So it was like साथ साथ सीख रहे थे आप.
साथ साथ सीख रहे थे. अच्छा मैंने जल्दी शुरू किया.
I mean,
वरना
yes.
तो अदरवाइज 7-8 साल तो इसी में चले जाते.
And it's good. You were lucky कि काम करते करते you've been learning.
Yeah. नहीं but lucky तो है but it's काम मिलता गया. That is the luck. काम मिलता गया. I was younger also and I had the energy to run around, look for work, meet people. You know, ऐसा नहीं कि okay I have completed 28 years of age and then I am running around. ऐसा नहीं था. So by the age of 28 people knew me and then you know okay,
Yeah,
now
yeah.
I know. हाँ. जल्दी भी शुरू करना जरूरी होता है कोई भी प्रोफेशन हो.
So how is it different now, Ansha? I mean, the time you got into the TV industry and now, how do you see the difference? I mean, do you see there is a difference in generally in people's attitude, the professionals around you, the newcomers, the new girls, the new boys walking into the TV industry? Do you feel any major difference?
Major differences. See, nowadays people are more. They're not very organic. They are very cosmetic.
Oh, well said. Yeah.
When we had started working in this field, we were very natural and organic. You know, we were very grounded. I'm talking about क्योंकि सास कभी बहू थी वाला time, and I started looking at television sets कि क्या है, how do they act, we started giving auditions. Actors were still very organic. You know, आजकल तो what I see of newcomers, see, old actors are still preferred. They still like actors who are wiser and older and experienced. But अभी क्या है, they are they're very मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, okay, I have become a star, okay, now television के नए नए बच्चे, I've become a star and I want to show tantrums and I want to I want a new room, I want a separate vanity, I want this, I want that, and then when the show is off, it is off. खत्म. फिर तुमको कोई पहचानेगा ही नहीं ना.
Concentrating more on the other things, the other comforts, rather than concentrating on their work.
है और मेरे vanity rooms और मेरा वो उसमें ही फंस जाते हैं. And instead of looking after their acting abilities, वो वहीं पर फंसे रहते हैं. And फिर बाद में casting होती है, जब काम नहीं होता है, फिर casting होती है, फिर अरे नहीं यार उसको मत लो यार, उसका बहुत नाटक है.
हाँ, true.
मत लो यार, उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, उसको अलग वैनिटी चाहिए और उसको वैनिटी के बाद उसको ये वाली वैनिटी नहीं चाहिए, 3 डोर नहीं चाहिए, 2 डोर चाहिए. मतलब फिर तो तुम गए ना टाटा. Basically, I had a director who's my I will not name her, but I worked with her. She used to tell me, Ansha, ये सब तो ठीक है. If somebody asks me about यार उसको कास्ट करना है कैसा है या कैसी है वो, you know, how do I tell them कि उसको मत लो. कैसे मैम? She's a very good person. मतलब she's not a good actor. See, if you're a good person, हाँ, she's a very good person यार. अच्छी बंदी अच्छी है. अरे but actor, see, when you're not a very good actor, little bit थोड़ा कमी है. If you're a good person ना, you can
Good
get
person, हाँ, true.
And if you're a fabulous actor, but बहुत नाटक है, रहने दो यार, उसको ही ले लेंगे. We will teach her how to.
अच्छा, still that happens. Oh, okay.
You have to be a good
End
person.
of the day, human nature is ruling everywhere.
Yeah. Any industry. See, because the person who's investing money on you, on the show, on everything, he's putting a lot of money. And suddenly you, नहीं यार तुम अभी नहीं आए, आज तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, मूड नहीं. पहली बात तो डेडिकेशन चाहिए. Doing a daily soap requires a lot of energy. Imagine 30 days of shoot. 15 hour की भी shift लग सकती है. Morning 9 to night 9. 9 or 10 pack up होते होते. You come home, sleep, get up early again and go 9.
And get
This
back.
is your life for if you sign a show. So much of hard work. And then all that natak, how will the maker take it? So good person always makes a difference. If you're a little okay actor, will work. Everywhere, huh? Not only in acting fraternity. everywhere.
I agree. I would like to, prefer to work with a person who is a good person, a genuine person, rather than who is somebody offering me, a lot of money and being very, snobbish and a different, not a good person. Then obviously I would not like to work with that person
Yeah.
also. It's always that. Yeah. So Ansha, what's your daily routine like?
So I get up early, I go to the gym, and then I come home, then I have my meals, then I pack my meals, then I shoot, then I come home. That is the routine. Well,
So
yeah.
how many hours in the gym? I've always seen you in the gym.
Yeah. How many hours in the gym? At least 1.5, 1 hour, 40 minutes, 2 hours.
And what were you doing when everything was locked down and shut down? You were like, must be really missing to go to the gym. What did you do?
No,
How did you
I
go
bought
about
weights ना.
it?
खरीद लिया मैंने. खरीद लिया, and there was a gym, दोस्त का gym which I went. Nobody used to come there.
अच्छा.
I started. I didn't stop gymming.
Oh, good to know that.
And then yeah, मेरा पूरा दिन उसी में जाता है. What am I eating next? What is my next meal? And यही सब. I'm more
So
into
you like
nutrition.
you like to cook also yourself? Do you do cooking? Do you cook?
Yeah. I can easily cook. My meal to anybody can cook. Very simple. But I know I know cooking. So, and I don't indulge also. I don't indulge too much in outside food and junk. नहीं, ये बिल्कुल नहीं खाती. I'm a very, when it comes to eating, I'm very boring. I have the same food. I can have the same food for 30 days and I don't get bored.
Cancerian, no? Cancerian.
हाँ, I think sun sign, I think zodiac के हिसाब से I'm a Cancerian.
Yeah, they don't get bored of anything.
You're a Cancerian or what?
No, I know a lot of
Somebody you
people
know
who
is
are
a Cancerian. Somebody's a Cancerian.
Yeah, a lot of people around me. Similar traits. So Ansha, now tell me something. I've always seen you. You've been a very family-oriented person. Unlike, girls who are working independent on their own, they want to have their own place, have their own social life. Most of them don't want to live with their families and, not live in a joint family with parents. But you have always been with the family. So what are your value systems and what are your beliefs and how do you what is it?
Probably my stars are such that I am always with family and I enjoy being with family. I have very less friends. I have very, very less friends. Handful of friends. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है दोस्ती ना मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल है. बना तो मैं ले हूँ बहुत सारी. So if I have to remember the birthdays, I have to remember the anniversaries, I have to remember this, I have to remember that. और फिर ना सामने वाला हर्ट हो जाता है. और उसको मेरा याद नहीं तो मैं हर्ट हो जाती हूँ. So it's better that I keep handful of friends who I can remember and who I wish them on their important days. Spend some time. मुझे क्या लगता है मानसी, right now पैसा वैसा तो ठीक है. If you're giving your time to someone ना, तो बहुत बड़ी बात.
सही
See,
बात है.
time is so precious. Today we are talking and tomorrow you'll be interviewing somebody else. Time is so precious. It is running fast. And if you can give your time to somebody, that is so important. If I'm going and meeting my friend on her birthday and making her feel special and getting her a nice cake, उसको अच्छा लगेगा ना कि 10 दोस्तियां पालूं, उसका भूल जाऊं, इसका भूल जाऊं. So yeah, so that is why I have less friends. And whatever friends I have, they are all 2 a.m. friends. All. But I name one 2 a.m. friend, I have all friends who are 2 a.m. friends. हमारा टेंशन ही नहीं है, तो वो सॉर्ट है. So भगवान ना करे किसी को 2 a.m. की जरूरत पड़े, but that is how it is. And so my family I'm more attached to. Yes, I'm a very family wali ladki. I like to be with my family. I take all the decisions in my house. Most of the decisions are taken by me. If you see ना 7th floor पे कुछ आ रहा है, but the decision is mine. It is my decision. If you see a new thing is coming, it is my decision. So imagine such a small thing, buying a fridge. The decision will be mine. Okay, lena hai. Yeah, let's do this. That is mine. I'm like the son of the house. because there was a story. Okay, I had a brother who was no more, so I'm like playing that role also. I'm playing the role of a daughter and a son both. Yeah, emotionally they are more dependent. Baki to they've been well off. My parents are well off that way.
Lovely. And what do you think of like the woman empowerment these days? What is it? I mean, what are your views about today's women?
What is my view about today's women?
And
Really,
what do you know, advise them? What do you want to tell them?
See, I'm today's women. Whatever women I have met, like you are somebody who's very very strong. I know you personally, and not everybody is as strong as you are.
Okay.
Not everybody is as strong as people who. There are some women who are very very strong. So I'm not telling them anything. But then women empowerment क्या होता है? What is a women empowerment? मतलब we want equality. Equality तो हम तब मांगेंगे ना जब हमको लगता है we are not treated equally. You can fly an aircraft. You also can do it. You can be a bank manager. You can be a CEO of a multinational company. You can be anything.
You can be a boxer. You can be a cricketer. You can be this.
You can be a bodybuilder. You can be. Why is there women empowerment or equality चाहिए? Okay, if I tell this to any girl, what do you know what she'll say? तुम तो रूरल का देख रही हो ना, अर्बन का देख रही हो ना, रूरल में देखो आज भी
गांव में जाके देखो. हाँ.
तो yes, इंडिया में है आज भी, मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी. We need a lot of women to pull them off that thing, and you know कि बेटा नहीं हुआ, बेटी हुई, बेटा नहीं हुआ, वो सब भी चल रहा है ना. पहली बेटी हुई, अरे यार बेटी क्यों हुई, वो अभी भी चल रहा है. ठीक है, हम लोग रूरल का देखते हैं, पर अर्बन में क्या? There are women who are going through a lot of domestic violence. Why? When you are capable of earning, when you are educated, why don't you have it all पहले से ही in place? पहले से ही करना चाहिए ना. हम लोग सोचते नहीं यार अभी छोड़ो यार, अभी तो शादी हुई है. If I throw him so much of fit, तो वो पहले से ही मुझे attitude दे देगा. You have to tell him. I'm a woman who's of today's age, and I'm not somebody who wants half of your property, but I buy my own diamonds. But let's be equal. I think a woman also plays a very important equal role in marriage. So both are equal. It is not that आजकल वो समय नहीं कि तुम ही सब घर चलाओ and I am chilling at home. Everybody is working.
Yeah.
So I don't think women
require that understanding that okay, you are working, maybe you had a tiring day, but even I am working and I'm equally tired. So let's just have that understanding, and share the burden of household work also. Yeah.
The first is I want to have your हाथ का खाना only. रात को 10 बजे तो okay, Saturday, Sunday I completely understand. But I think यार ये तो natural है यार. You're my friend and we are staying together. So I won't say yaar because yaar मुझे तो it's okay yaar. It's like a woman and woman also staying together. The relationship is a relationship. वो किसी के बीच में भी हो सकता है. So I think women को empowerment की जरूरत ही नहीं है. They're already empowered.
I agree now after listening to you. Yes, that word. Why do you feel so weak, and why do you want any kind of special? Don't even have those thoughts. Yes.
Until unless you are pregnant and you can't really stand or you're old, तो बस में सीट चाहिए. Otherwise, I can also stand. Yeah. I am young and I have अभी ताकत है पैरों में. I can stand. Okay, when I'm old, तो ठीक है यार. Old senior citizen अलग होता है.
हाँ, then it's old age. Then it's not being a man or a woman. It's old age. Yeah.
Old age. Correct है ना?
Nice.
Women are already empowered. Huh? We don't need any empowerment. ज़्यादा देंगे तो problem हो जाएगा.
I agree.
I also did
I think it should be the other way around. Men empowerment.
But men to nowadays, whatever they are going through, they have another story to say. women empowerment के चक्कर में they are also going through a lot of issues. You know, कि यार women are only getting all the importance. We are not getting anyone. If we pass a comment on a woman, they will, मतलब we will be arrested. If a woman passes a comment on a man, तो नहीं कुछ.
And the Me Too movement.
Yeah.
Me Too has been like, okay, there have been genuine cases, but there have been a lot of false cases also.
But women exploitation है वो. Women empowerment is completely different, ना? So yeah, I think people should educate women अभी और ज़्यादा rural में, and they should look after इनका education so that they know, they have sense to think and, you know, to behave in a certain manner. Like I was a cop in the show, and I was always given a special place, and you know, always given action sequence.
How was it while you were working? Because this industry is a male-dominated industry from years, and but you being in such a show where you are playing the CID as a woman, so was there any, you know, कि चलो ठीक है shoot show में तो you are being shown as a very strong woman, but otherwise things were different on the set, and you know.
On the set also, I was given the same place as it was on screen. I was treated equally important. I was treated, if there was an action sequence, there was an action sequence written for the woman also. Yeah. Now you tell me to lift a drum, I can't do it. Na? That will be done by somebody else. But whatever according to my capacity and my body, I was given the सब कुछ equal था. नहीं यार लड़की है तो नहीं. CID में बिल्कुल नहीं. In fact, they only they made me feel so special. Shivaji sir and Abhijit sir and Teddy sir, everybody. They made me feel so special. Even Daya sir, all of them. कि नहीं यार, she's the girl. I said, why are you telling me I am the girl? You know, I am equal. अरे बाबा हाँ equal है लेकिन बैठ जा कुर्सी है इधर खाली. You know, they have given me, they loved me like, for them I was a kid. उनके लिए तो मैं बच्ची थी ना, तो वो एक अलग, ऊपर से लड़की है तो मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं सब. If you see the episodes, you have a lot of episodes on Purvi. There were a line of episodes on YouTube on Purvi. Purvi action sequence, Purvi doing the investigation, Purvi slapping the criminals. सब कुछ equal था. Purvi हो, Shreya हो, Tarika, everything was equal. But we were treated more, मतलब pampered. We were pampered.
Wow, lucky. I mean, very good production and a very friendly and very, yes. No wonder you've been there for such a long time. I'm sure you must be really happy there. That's why. हाँ, sorry.
कौन छोड़ेगा?
I know. Whatever is going good, yeah.
सेव पूरी तो सेव पूरी, बर्गर तो बर्गर, anything. बोला अभी क्या खिला रहे हो जब डाइट पे है? Yeah. बहुत pamper किया.
So, Ansha, any of your fan moments? I keep, following you on Instagram. You have a huge fan base. Any such incident? Any such story which is like, you know, a fan has like done anything really extraordinary for you, or any such incident which you can remember?
You know, I'll tell you the latest, which is very, 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 very surprising for me.
Acha.
I got a mail from England saying we want you in England because CID has a huge fan base in England also. So they were looking for a show event जहाँ पे they wanted CID actors, and उसमें of course ECP sir, Daya sir, Abhijit sir और Purvi ऐसा. I said okay, and then I got a mail number on that mail. Can you contact me on this regarding? And it was a very professional mail. And I just WhatsApped hi. So I started getting in touch with this event person in England. So he's telling me, we want you here, and we have a huge fan base of CID in England. I said, oh, very nice. They have a lot of fans in England. It's very nice. This is a very, honoring moment for us. So what happened? He's telling me in the end of WhatsApp conversation, can you record a video for my niece? They are like twins. छोटी लड़कियां हैं. If you can record a video and send it to me. And they are having, उनका birthday है और उनके birthday पे they are ordering a cake जिसपे CID का कुछ है. With your photos.
Okay.
Okay. I sent a video and the birthday cake का जो भेजा उन्होंने मुझे पूरा वीडियो केक कटिंग का, दोनों बच्चियों का, ट्विंस है वो, उस केक के ऊपर they have my pictures. And you know, while cutting the cake, the baby, the other one is telling to the first one, पूर्वी दीदी का face मत काटो, पूर्वी दीदी का face. And they're having the cake.
Oh,
Can you imagine? I was like, what is this? This is such a great.
And such young girls, huh?
8 years.
Wow, and living in London for a long time. I'm sure they must be born and brought up there. Yeah.
This is so. I mean, I get a lot of mails from India, and you know, मैं आपका fan हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैंने CID coming back and everything. But ये तो मतलब कुछ अलग ही था. I had no words only. I was like, what? You know, I don't know. God, it is not something. It's magic. कुछ तो magic ही है.
Beautiful, yeah. To have such lovely, pretty fans. I mean, yeah.
And you know, Mansi, to have a fan base of kids, na, it is very important. I think it is very important because kids, they have that innocence in themselves. If they love you, na, तो वो फिर बहुत जल्दी आपकी चीजें जल्दी easy हो जाती है. Because it really bless you and love you. You know, वैसा.
How nice. And I've always seen you like kabhi bhi you're traveling, you're always surrounded with so much security. Is it in India or is it always been even in abroad? I mean, a huge fan following. Always you're like so many bouncers around you, police, security, wherever you go. Is it? It's always.
No. When I'm alone, there is no security and police. When I'm with my team, na.
हाँ.
When you're shooting a sequence in orbit के सामने या road पे या, then there is a lot of police and security because then of course फिर तो पूरा team ही दिख जाती है ना. See, अगर आप, it is the bunch which creates that firmness.
अच्छा.
5 उंगली ऐसे रहेंगे तो मतलब नहीं. When they come together, that is the time you need security और तभी बहुत भीड़ जमती. Of course, ACP सर, दया सर तो वैसे भी भीड़ जमा ही देंगे. मतलब ट्रैफिक तो जैम हो ही जाएगा. बट 5-6 लोग साथ में होते तो फिर बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता.
So mainly showcase shooting is always mostly in Mumbai, or do you travel across India and abroad and anywhere? Depends on the script.
Anywhere. Well, it is mostly in Mumbai. जब outdoor plan होता है तो outdoor. All over India होता है. And if it is abroad, they have also traveled to Paris and Switzerland. होता है.
I know your parents well, and it's an inter-religion marriage. Yeah. So, how have you been dealing with this, and what is your views? You know, what are your views about it?
No, I have not. They are dealing with it. I am not dealing with it. And it is a intercaste marriage, yeah. But they gel around well with each other.
So your mom is a Hindu South Indian lady, right? She's from which town, which state in India?
Tamilian, Chennai.
She's a Tamilian. And your dad is like a proper from
Madhya Pradesh. From Madhya Pradesh. He's a Muslim.
Yeah. So are you like? I mean, how do you feel about the whole thing? Is it like as normal as everything for you, or?
No, it is. When I was a kid, I was very confused. What is happening? But as I grew older and I started to realize, okay, my father has his own religion, my mother has her own religion, and it is up to me to follow what. So I'm also, I believe in Hinduism a lot, you know, a lot because, I don't know, probably because my mom, a kid follows mom more.
Okay.
So any place. But I also respect Islam a lot, so I know both the religions.
Okay.
So I can do puja also, and I can offer namaz, and which I do. Wow. Yeah, like I do puja also, and I offer namaz on the same day. I can do it. So I have two gods to listen. Basically, God एक ही होता है, but I have two ways to go to him.
So do you think it's easy? Is it easy to get into these relationships, and or is it you need a lot of understanding?
A lot of understanding. You need a lot of understanding. When my parents got married back in 80s, तभी तो इतना understanding नहीं था. But as now we are in 21, 2021, and अभी तो things have changed. Now people do not give importance to religion itna. करते होंगे अभी भी, but I think people are growing up. अभी तो थोड़ा chilled out. So yeah, for me it was thoda sa roller coaster in the beginning, but then it was fine.
So for you now to choose a partner, you would be fine with anything. It's just
Yeah.
The person should be a good person. That's
the
it.
person should be a good person. That is what matters. It doesn't matter if he's whatever caste.
Ansha, moving ahead. Now tell me something. What do you think about success? What's true success for you?
What's true success for me? True success for me is buying that expensive diamond set. No. That is a joke. I'm joking. Okay, true success for me is right now what I think at this point. 10 साल पहले वो नहीं था. For now, I think when you become a better person, yeah, when you earn a decent money, and when you stay happy, all these three things when come in one line. When you're happy also, when you're and you have that, your needed amount for your everyday living, and when you're a kind person, all these three things means a lot of difference to it. It completes one. It completes oneself.
And your now professional advice to all the youngsters who want to come into acting, join Bollywood, come to Mumbai, what would you advise the youngsters?
बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा.
क्या करना पड़ेगा? Sorry.
बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. बहुत मेहनत है. चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए. बहुत मेहनत है. वो डेस्टिनी भी चाहिए. सब एक लाइन में आएगा तो ही होगा काम. See, I'm not telling somebody, are you good looking, you're a very good actor and you should try. No, Baba. First of all, you have to work very hard. First of all. Second with this, your luck should be in your favor. Luck also plays a very significant role in it. And फिर तो number लग ही जाएगा. I think hard work and luck can make you achieve anything. Timing, the right time, that is the luck. If they require an actor today, and if I'm going on that in that production house after 1 week, कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है ना. Or if I'm getting a call after 1 week, ma'am, who actually we wanted you for that character, but it's gone. You do this character. फिर कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. Okay, I'm getting a character, but I like that character.
So be well informed every time. What's happening around you? Where what is that? what क्या बन रहा है? Auditions किधर है? सब कुछ. That way you mean?
No. I mean by luck. Luck होता है ना. That fortune should work for you. Your fortune key should be with you. It should work for you. And of course, you have to be modest. You have to be grounded. ऐसा नहीं यार, I'm doing 4 shows, so I am the star. ऐसा नहीं. You have to be grounded also, which takes you a long way. You have to run for the race for a longer time कि ऐसे थोड़ा सा ही 100 meters करके छोड़ना है. लंबी रेस के घोड़े होने के लिए तो जरूरत है पेशेंस. बहुत पेशेंस चाहिए. It might take years, it might take days. People come with a lot of dreams and then they get so depressed if they're not getting work. अभी depression क्यों हो रहा है? They're not getting work, people get so depressed. They don't, no, they come because they're good looking and suddenly, there's no work only. हाँ तो patience तो रखना है ना. You can't lose your sanity. वो भी जरूरी है. Because actor is not about looks and acting. It is about intelligence also. You have to be you have to be intelligent. You have to know, okay, what is the last moment impromptu expression I can give. You have to be intelligent also. Yeah.
Yes, it's not just about physical appearance. I agree. Totally. And people who are really doing well, they use their both. It's beauty and brains. It's always
Beauty,
both.
brains, timing, fortune, everything. I think everywhere. सिर्फ beauty हमारे यहाँ है, but in every profession, in corporate also, you need intelligence, wittiness, चाहिए ना? और your क्या बोलते spontaneity, all that is also required. And of course, just an acting profession, you need looks. Physical appearance is also important.
Correct.
What do you say about this?
About?
About my idea of whatever I think about people who are coming into the acting fraternity.
Of course, yes, absolutely well said. It is just don't have that notion that, oh, I'm so pretty, I'm so good looking, I'm so, everything. I can just wear brands and get into any audition and crack it. No, no, no. You
नहीं
cannot.
होता है.
नहीं होता है.
ऐसे लगता है
स्टाइल
लोगों
मारने
को.
से कुछ नहीं होता है इस इंडस्ट्री में.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं होता है. If you I can get into the audition.
और आजकल तो
can...
Instagram, Facebook profiles,
हाँ.
it's okay. How much ever fancy the page can look, but
I am telling you, Mansi, आजकल ये TikTok का जो चला था, and there were a lot of actors who were doing TikTok के through काम. परेशान है लोग उनको कास्ट कर. क्या ले लिया मतलब यार? मतलब how can you rate my or anyone's acting ability on the followers they have? How does your follower is your talent?
any relation between how well you can act? Yes, yes,
नहीं
nothing.
होता. वही तो. And eventually पता है, if it is your work ना, it will come to you only. That is the belief. I will take your job, you take my job. If it is your job, it will come to you. I lost the job here because of COVID. I was getting that assignment. It was never meant to be. It was never meant to be. If it is your assignment, it will come to you post-COVID also.
I agree. ये इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सबको विश्वास है. अगर मेरा नाम लिखा है ना, तो मेरे लिए आएगा.
बहुत लोग को नहीं है विश्वास, मानसी. बहुत लोग
अच्छा.
ऐसे हाँ इम्पेशेंट होके ना पता नहीं क्या क्या बोल देते हैं. यार मेरे पास तो इतना काम था, अभी तो कोविड के पहले यार ये वाला भी आया था, वो अभी चला गया. भाई आपका है ना, तो कोविड के बाद भी आएगा, उससे बड़ा आएगा, क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट के साथ आता है ना. यूनिवर्स ऑल्सो कैलकुलेट्स योर इंटरेस्ट. यार इसने वेट किया है, आई गिव हिम मोर. इट विल कम टू यू, इट विल कम इन बिगर वे.
करेक्ट.
रोके कुछ मतलब नहीं है.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
या और मैं इतना बिलीव करती थी. आई हैड अ वेरी बिग असाइनमेंट बिफोर कोविड, international assignment, and I thought it's gone because international market was gone.
Crashed completely.
I thought I'm not getting it. And then they had called me post-COVID. My friend told me, "Dekh yaar, tere naam ka hai na, Anshay will come or else forget." I said, "Hi yaar." I was getting very pareshan. What is this? But it came to me. They waited for me. I was like, wow, 8 months of waiting.
Nice, well said, well explained. Thank you. And one of my very last questions to Ansha, we do have time constraints on the show. So a quick question before we, wrap up. And it's your message to all our viewers, whoever is watching you today.
My message to all of them is keep watching Trident interviews. And what message should I give? Hold on to faith and keep doing your job. Keep working in the field, in whatever field you're working in, and do not give up. And that is how it is. That is the cycle of life. And
be bindas and must, like Ansha says. You will get it all eventually.
No, don't. Be a little gambhir also at times whenever you need. I've been bindas. So stay happy. Basically, don't take stress. Right now, everybody who's taking stress, depression and all, basically the message should be do not get depressed. It's a post-COVID era. Do not get depressed. Hold on to faith. Time is something which changes always. Your stars change. Time changes. The stars also change. So yeah.
Of course. Nothing stays the same. Yes, everything changes. So hold on. Great, Ansha. So it was so lovely talking to you and have you on our show. And we hope we travel soon to London and you get to meet your little fans who've been waiting for you eagerly, who've been celebrating their birthdays
So
with you
cute,
on
that
the
is. Thank
cake.
you so much, Mamita. It was lovely talking to you. And yeah, finally we could do this, and we were planning to do this for a long time. Thank you,
Yes.
and it was a pleasure meeting
And
all of
thank
you
you so
there. In pleasure meeting from some everyone from Trident there, they are working so hard for this, and I hope you all grow more in the coming year. 2021 should be beautiful for you, and all the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.